I want to demonstrate the greatness of the Waterco Multicyclone. It uses centrifugal force to separate debris from water. This takes a lot of the workload off of the filter. It is very similar to how a Dyson vacuum cleaner works. This is not a typical installation. We set it about 2 feet higher for easier demonstration. I am using a very fine green sand for this demonstration. The sand will go through the pump, then into the multicyclone, where it will be removed from the system before it gets to the filter. I have removed the cartridges from this filter, and I am adding the sand into the circulation system. Very quickly you can see the sand is being separated from the system as it passes through the multicyclone. All of the sand that I added is being deposited into the multicyclone, and it is not making it back to the filter. This takes a lot of the workload off of the filter. This will extend your filter cycles, requiring less filter cleanings, and extending the life of your cartridges. Emptying the reservoir is very simple. During your weekly maintenance, you simply open the purge valve with the pump running, and the water flow will flush all of the debris out of the multicyclone.